in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the engine filter on a 2018 Mazda 3. Should be very simple, nothing too crazy. We're going to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we're going to go ahead and start this video right after the intro. All right, so first things first, what we're going to go ahead and do, locate our air filter housing. And we have two tabs. So we have one right here. What you're going to do is pull towards you. And then we have the other one, same thing. Pull towards you. Now, for this one, if you can't get this one off, what you can do is get a flathead and just kind of put it down between the plastic and the lockdown clip. And then just push it towards you. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to wiggle this up a little bit and then pull towards you at the same time as you're wiggling it in and out. And then we should be able to lift this enough to grab our filter. So our filter will be like that, and then we'll just sneak it out just like that. So now this filter is not crazy dirty. It has about 12,000 miles on this. Anywhere from like 10 to like 15,000 miles. So it's not crazy dirty. It is a little bit dirty, so we're going to recommend it. Here's a new filter, part number SA11259. Make sure your filters match up, just in case. All right, so now at this point, we're going to go ahead and reverse the order. Trying to do this with one hand, so make sure that the filter is fully seated in. And so when I mean fully seated in, make sure that the groove is inside here, so just like that. So perfect, we see everything. Now all around it's not going to have a big gap just like that, so just you see how our gap's tight right over here, and then just some areas are going to be tight and some are going to be more. So you see how it's bigger right here and tight a little bit, more narrow down here. All right, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and insert our filter. So just so you know, we have 1, 2, and then there's a third notch right over here on this side. So there's these little inserts. We need to go ahead and get those notches in. So those three, we're going to go ahead and lift up this cable for the mass airflow sensor. And we're going to go ahead and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this little intake part and I'm going to kind of just twist it in a little clockwise position. So I'm going to pull back and then twist down. Make sure it's fully seated in all three. Looks like it is. And then since we're in there, we're going to go ahead, push in. And as we push in, this little notch in the actual upper part should line up. There's a little notch right here. In the top piece, you can see that open, and then there's a little nipple that kind of sticks out right there. So we need to make sure those two line up. And then you'll just you need to wiggle it back and forth. So you need to shake it in and out. Once it's fully seated, you should be able to clip these guys in. Now the best way, what I like to do, you can either push down and lift these guys up, or this should be easy too as well. Sometimes you can push right here on the back, and that's pretty much it. But if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.